All right, Demarai. First of all, not the best result. Can you just take us through the game first?
Yeah, it was probably not one of our best performances. Quite frustrating at times, but it's a clean sheet and top of the table finish. So besides the performance, you have to take the positives. But we're well aware that there's still lots to improve on. Still a new campaign under a new manager, and yeah, it was a difficult game. We knew what Honduras were about, and you can see what they've come to play for. So yeah, there's positives and negatives, but like I said, we'll take the top of the table finish.
What's your fitness like on regards to your form? Can you tell us a little bit about your fitness and your form?
Yeah, probably say for my standards, not fitness-wise at its peak. Well, that happens sometimes throughout the season. So for me, it's just working on that. So at club and international level, I'm at the best level possible. But yeah, I think over time that'll improve. We've got another camp next month, and we'll just go again.
The game overall, in the final third, we're a bit lacking where the finishing is concerned. You think that is a bit of form or just missing the cutting edges? If
I look at both camps we've had this season, we've scored goals when it matters, and we've won some of our games. The tougher games. I think Nicaragua away and Honduras away are tough places to go, and we've won, and we've defended well at the other end. Obviously, fans, probably want to see more, but at the end of the day, this is international football, and it's tricky. And some games you have to defend more than you have attacking situations. But like I said, we've scored when we've needed to score, and people I've asked a few times now about my form. The good thing is, if I'm not putting them in the net, we've got other people that are doing that, and that's what you need from the team. So I'd say there's a decent balance, but there's always room for improvement.
Finally, youngster Kaim Dixon in the squad. Can you tell us your thoughts about him, and also the thoughts of the squad overall about the youngster in the squad?
Yeah, I love Kahim, and first of all, he's a good guy. And it's been a positive summer for him, making a move to the UK. And I think he needs that, he'll develop well there. He's at a good club, and you can see what he's about when he comes on the pitch. It's exciting. Like I said, I'm pretty sure his improvement will be drastic, but it's good for him to be here, and when he comes on and gets his opportunities, he shows something, and everyone sees that, the fans see that. He done a little something today, and saw the reaction from the crowd. So yeah, Kahim's a good man, and people like me, I'm here to be a positive influence on him, and kind of show him the way. And yeah, I love working with him.
All right, thanks, yeah.
Dimi, had one question. We're back into the quarterfinals of the Nation League. As you know, earlier this year we felt we were a minute short of reaching to the final, unfortunately. How do you feel going back and having the opportunity to this time go back all the way?
Yeah, I think we expect, set our objectives high, to get to the final stages of these competitions. And like I said, we was close, last year, and our aim's always to go as far as possible. So, all I can say is we'll go in with the right mentality. We'll go into games to win, and yeah, hopefully we have better luck this year.
All right, Demi, thanks again, and again, I do appreciate you representing Jamaica, bro.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.